Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering the machine and adding fresh water. This matters because ceramics and seals need pressure and heat to work correctly. Once the lights indicate ready, run a water-only extraction without a capsule to prime the pump and flush manufacturing residues. Make sure the reservoir sits flush and the lever moves freely. This prevents airlocks. After the quick rinse, you'll have stable temperature and pressure, which ensures consistent extraction and crema on your first real cup. Now insert a capsule correctly. Lift the lever, drop the capsule in with the foil facing up, then close the lever until it clicks. This compresses the capsule for an even puncture pattern. Choose the small or large button based on capsule intensity and cup size, and press once to start. Watch the pour. A steady espresso flow with a golden crema means good extraction. If it pours like water or sputters, pause and reseat the capsule, or check the reservoir connection before retrying. Finish by ejecting the used capsule into the internal bin and emptying the drip tray regularly to avoid overflow. Rinse the water tank and wipe the head area after each session. Periodic descaling every 3 to 6 months prevents flow and taste issues. If the machine doesn't dispense, check that the reservoir is properly seated, rerun a prime cycle to clear air, and reseat the capsule. If problems persist, run a descaling program. Minerals often cause weak flow more than mechanical failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.